All right, guys, this is my review of the Lenski 16-pack chalk markers and metal markers. So there's 16 of these puppies. Let's dump them out. There's basically two different kinds. You've got the thin ones right here, and you've got the thick monsters right here. And first of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have first-hand experience with. I was messing around with these to get a vibe for them, and I want to show you how they work. So you got thick ones and you got thin ones. They work really easily. They've got cool colors and they're wipe offable. So they're super easy to use. Now, the thick ones, what you do to get them to work is you actually have to shake them a little bit and then you press down. So you can see there's no ink there yet. But what I'll do is I'll press down and now you'll see. Now it's pink, right? So that's all you do to get it to work. They show up really good. They're really strong lines. And you can see these are super fun to work with. You can do them on glass. You can do them on windows like your cars. There's a lot of cool different colors. Kids can have a lot of fun with this in the summer, either on the sidewalk or on windows, and it's easily washable. So they can have fun messing around on something without ruining anything. Based on this, seeing the number on the screen, seeing the quality and the different colors you have here, I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. It seems like a really good buy, especially if you want your kids distracted during the summer, but not just staring at one of those stupid screens on a phone that ruins their childhood. So now they can have fun outside while maybe you're able to focus on something else and they're distracted, but they're doing something artistic. Keep the art with the children. It's going to help when they grow up and they're going to blossom into amazing adults. Encourage creativity for kids.